Now in this session we will see the multiplication of two numbers which are close to the base, like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. In Vedic maths there is a different technique in solving the numbers which are close to base 10, 100, 1000. This method is very fast, and using this method you can solve the problems in less than 2 or 3 seconds. So first I will just tell you how to write the numbers which are close to the base. Now let's see how to write 11. Now 11, as you know, is very close to base, that is 10. So writing 11 in Vedic maths, we have to write 11 plus 1. That means 11 is 1 more than 10. Now let us see how to write 12. 12 can be written as 12 plus 2. That is 12 is 2 times more than 10. Now let's see how to write 9. Now 9 will be written as 9 minus 1. That is 9 is 1 less than 10. 8 can be written as 8 minus 2. That is 8 is 2 less than 10. So this is the way we write the numbers in Vedic maths which are close to the base 10. Now let us see how to write the numbers which are close to base 100. So 102 will be written as 102 plus 0, 2. 112 will be written as 112 plus 12. Now you see, in case of numbers which were close to the 10, we were writing only one digit after the plus sign. In case of numbers which are close to base 100, we are writing 2 digits after the sign plus. So please remember this, because this is going to be useful when we are going to actually solve multiplication problems. Now 99 will be written as 99 minus 0, 1. That is 99 is 1 less than 100. 88 will be written as 88 minus 12. That is 88 is 12 less than base 100. Now after knowing this, we will now move to solve the multiplication of two numbers which are close to the base 10 or 100 or 1000. Now let's take two numbers, two positive numbers which are close to the base 10. So we will start with 11 and we will multiply it with 12. Now two things you have to remember which I am going to write here. First, both these numbers should be they should have the same base. In this case the base is 10. So the first rule is both the numbers should have same base. Okay, and the second rule is, which I will tell you afterwards. Now what we need to do is, we will again write 11 as we have learned in previous session. So 11 can be written as 11 plus 1. 12 can be written as 12 plus 2. That is 12 is 2 more than 10. Now in this particular case, after writing like this, we will simply write this forward stroke, and what we will do is, we will multiply this 2 with 1. So 2 ones are 2. And our multiplication is over. After this, we are going to do cross addition. Either you add this 11 with 2, or you add this 12 with 1. If you add 11 plus 2, it is 13, or you add 12 plus 1, it is 30. So we get 13 and we will write 13 here. So our answer is 132. Now the second rule which I have not told you earlier is that after this forward stroke you will write only those many number of digits that which are equal to the number of zeros in the base. For example, in this particular case the base is 10 and the base 10 has only one zero. Therefore after this forward stroke there will be only one digit. So the after forward stroke there will be digits equal to number of zeros in the base. So I hope now you have understood. Now let us take another example. We will take another number 12 multiplied by 14. Here 12 will be written as 12 plus 2 and 14 will be written as 14 plus 4. So the next step will be just write forward stroke here. After that what you are going to do is simply multiply 4 with 2. So 4 2s are 8. So you will write 8 here. In this case your multiplication is over. After that you will simply cross add. So 12 plus 4, that is 16, or 14 plus 2, that is 16. So your answer is 168. Now in this case you have seen that both the numbers are close to the base 10, and after this forward stroke you have written only one digit, that is 8. Now let's take another example. 14 multiplied by 30. Now we can see that both the numbers are close to base 10. So what we will do, we will write 14 is 4 more than 10, so we will write 14 plus 4. Similarly 13 is 3 more than 10, so we will write 13 plus 3. Now in this particular case, again we will write forward stroke here. Now we will multiply 3 4s are, so 3 4s are 12. As I told you earlier, since in this case the base is 10, it has got only one zero, so you cannot write 12 here. You can write only one digit, therefore that is 2, and hence the 1 will be carried forward. Now the multiplication is over. Now we will do cross addition. Either you add 13 with 4 or you add 14 with 3. So 13 plus 4 is 17. We will write here and then you add it. So 2 as it is, 1 plus 7 8, and 1 as it is. So answer is 182. I hope you have understood this, and it will be easy for you to solve 14 with 15, 15 with 16, and like that.